Hello and welcome to today's unboxing. I'm Fish90 Pro, that is my headphone cord. Oops. Before I get into the unboxing I need to explain something. There's going to be reduced videos still for a while because my computer has just been taken out of action and it's going to be a while before it's all set up properly going again. So I'd like you to tolerate that. But now getting into it, today's unboxing. Ooh, it's just gone. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing Pepper. Yeah. Okay. Just going to shake it. Let's get it to the bottom. Good knife this. I think we want to go in like that. It's definitely open. What's it look like? Can you see that? Looks like pepper. I don't know what the quality of this stuff. It was free. Free pepper's always the good type of pepper. Let's get rid of that hair. There's quite a lot in it. I'd say about a gram. Ooh, there's still more in it. Any more in it? No, I think we're out. So, a good sniff. You can smell it if you want. That one you will be able to. Unless you're using smell-o-vision. So I'm gonna taste a bit. Tastes like pepper. Luckily, hang on. I've also got the flow, which is never a good thing to have while doing an unboxing video. So I've got another one here. See whether it's the same quality. And, didn't quite get it with a knife that time. Don't know, that looks like less. Does indeed look like less. Okay. Down. Yeah. Again, tastes like pepper. Yeah. So that's my unboxing of generic pepper. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, favourite and subscribe, and bear in mind this was April Fool's Day. But the computer to the bit at the beginning was not a joke.